Hi, it's Dave with Regal Fabric Care, your cleaner of all soft furnishings in the Boston area. We're here cleaning one of our Oriental rugs in our shop in Woburn, Massachusetts, located just 15 minutes north of Boston. David LaFrance, one of our technicians here, is busy cleaning this hand-knotted Oriental rug, and we were going to shoot this video just to show you some of what can come out of Oriental rugs. This rug has already been vacuumed and thoroughly dusted to get all the dry particulate soils out, and now it's during the wash phase. Again, the colorists have all been tested to make sure they do not bleed, and some of what David's doing now is a scrubbing process that detergents have been added to the rug. Now it's being scrubbed. As you can see, I'm going to try to pan in. You can see some of the dark foam coming out of there, and what that is, the shampoo foam should be completely white, but what's embedded in there is impacted soils. And you need a machine like this floor machine that has a soft bristle brush in the bottom to dislodge those soils. Once this is done, you can see the brown right there. Once the scrubbing is done, then we start the rinse process. We rinse it until we get clear water completely out of the rug, and it all goes down our drain. If it needs additional scrubbing or special spotting techniques, we can do that too. And then again, if it needs to be rinsed a third time, that's what we do, and then it will go into a dry room to be thoroughly dried, and then the finishing process might involve some re-grooming of the pile or fringe work. If you or anybody you know has questions about how to care for their valuable and wonderful Oriental rug and floor coverings, please give us a call. We can be reached at 781-995-0683 in the Boston area. You can always send us an email at info@regalfabriccare.com. And of course, always find this on YouTube and Facebook. Until next time, Dave with Regal Fabric Care, your cleaner of all soft furnishings. Thanks for watching.
David